In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use custom wallpaper on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select Wallpaper. And then on the right side, if you want to use a custom wallpaper in here, you want to just select the Add Photo button. You can go ahead and add it from your photo library or from a file. And then you just would select the image from here like you would any normal wallpaper selection. And that's pretty much all you'd have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.